Hello my dear subscribers. It's the first morning in Panajachel, Atitlan. Let's see. Wow. Wow, we're going to the main road where there's a mercado of some sort. Look, it's pants for hippie girls. No Guatemalteca is gonna wear this, I think. I mean, I never saw a babush abuela with wearing anything like that. Yeah, but you're not from here. This dog is so fat. A traditional kiosk in Panajachel. Wow, I have these things for the toilet. Look! Look, these annoying people there in Panajachel as well. Cyclists. This is Chocobanano. This is Chocobanano. An authentic traditional breakfast, I guess, here. It's choco with banana. Yes, Lago de Atitlan. This means the lake of Atitlan. And we are gonna go after we try every food for breakfast. So my subscribers, now I will show you how to properly eat Chocobanano. Instead of eating like this, like it's surlagi, you get this and you break it. There you go. And then you can continue deep throating it like before. Okay, press pause. Wow. This looks similar to a traditional Cypriot barbecue thing we have. And now we're going for the boat. Follow and subscribe for more tours, and I'll see you on the boat, episode. There's a French guy here.